British Petroleum, solar products manufacturer. British Petroleum was once known for their petroleum products. How times have changed. BP is now one of the biggest producers of solar products. British Petroleum, solar products manufacturer. Solar power is the way of the future. Whether you are interested in saving the environment or just saving money, solar products can provide you with the power you need to run a household while not using traditional fossil fuels or supplied electricity. Solar power can also be a great investment for your home's future and your family's well-being. BP solar products are backed by BP's 30 years of experience in the solar energy industry. The company started out as Solarex Corporation in 1973 and has led the industry in solar power since that date. BP has been a world leader in petroleum-based energy sources since 1901, but in the latter half of the 20th century took the opportunity to turn to solar energy as a means of supplying the world with power. Currently, BP Solar operates the largest fully integrated solar power plant in the United States, which is located in Frederick, Maryland. BP solar products are also sold by BP as one of the products made with the many solar cells produced annually by BP. BP solar products, sold as part of BP Solar Home Solutions, are available in California, New York, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. They are sold in these states through the Home Depot and other independent dealers. Non-residential customers, large businesses, can obtain BP solar products in the following states: Arizona, California, Colorado, Nevada, New Jersey, and New York. Some states offer rebates up to 70% of the purchase price of a BP solar energy system, and others offer tax credits to homeowners that choose solar power. BP contractors and independent dealers will assess your home and roof for the best options available to give you a solar-powered house. They will assess the shape and pitch of your roof, as well as any potential shady spots, in order to ascertain the amount of BP solar products you will be able to accommodate. The contractors will also be able to take a survey of your house to see how much energy you need to run your household. Choosing BP solar products to supply energy to your home is a cost-effective and green way to help the Earth. You can help to save the environment for future generations, as well as making a great monetary investment for the future. Solar energy is going to become more important as time goes on, so getting started now will help you to advance the cause of cleaner energy before it's too late.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.